In this video, I'll walk through Neevii and show how it works in practice. I'll focus on a few key areas, rather than every feature. Neevii is an accounting app designed for UK sole traders, limited companies, and accountants acting on behalf of clients. The goal is to reduce manual admin, improve visibility, and help users stay on top of deadlines. Neevii combines traditional accounting logic with an AI assistant that reviews and highlights things, rather than guessing or filing automatically. Everything in Neevii starts with setup. In the HMRC settings section, users enter their details for services such as corporation tax, self-assessment, VAT, and payroll. Each service has its own connection and can be linked individually using the connect buttons. This ensures the correct tax schemes and identifiers are used before any calculations are performed. Neevii does not assume or infer tax status. It uses the information you explicitly provide. Once setup is complete, the dashboard provides an overview of what Neevii is tracking for you. You can see current balances, outstanding actions, and upcoming deadlines at a glance. The to-do list and deadline sections highlight what needs attention and what is already complete. The dashboard is designed to act as a monitoring layer, rather than just a summary screen. Transactions are managed from the Transactions page. At the moment, transactions are imported using bank CSV files, with live open banking planned for a later stage. Once transactions are imported, they can be categorized manually or using the Smart Categorization feature. The system suggests categories based on transaction details, but nothing is locked in. Users can review, adjust, or override any suggestion before it is saved. This keeps the process fast, but still accurate and reviewable. Neevii also includes a calendar that shows tax deadlines and important dates. Deadlines can be generated automatically or added manually. Reporting tools provide a higher-level view, including tax timelines, profit and loss, and balance sheet summaries. These reports focus on timing and position, rather than overwhelming detail. Along with personal tax, Neevii also includes support for corporation tax filing using a hybrid approach. When preparing a CT600 return, the tax calculation itself is performed by a rules-based computation engine. This engine follows standard accounting and tax logic to calculate profits, allowances, and liabilities. Once the calculation is complete, the AI assistant reviews the result. The AI highlights potential issues, flags transactions that may be miscategorized, and requests clarification where needed. It does not invent figures or override calculations. Users can review a full preview of the CT600 return before submission, ensuring transparency and control throughout the process. In addition to what's shown here, Neevii includes invoicing, payroll management, dividend tracking, and multiple operating modes. The app can be used as a sole trader, limited company, or in agent mode by accountants managing multiple clients. All features follow the same design approach: clarity first, automation second. This was a general overview of Neevii and how the main pieces fit together. More detailed walkthroughs of individual features will follow. Thanks for watching.